Welcome! If you're tired of being interrupted by Instagram direct message notifications, you're not alone. Whether you want a break from constant alerts or just need some peace and quiet, I'll show you exactly how to turn off Instagram direct notifications using your phone's settings. This method works for both Android and iOS devices, and it's quick, easy, and effective. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. You're not opening Instagram for this. Everything will be managed directly from your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it. This will bring up a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Look through the list and find Instagram. Then tap on the Instagram icon to open its app-specific settings. Now, look for the option that says Notifications. Tap on it, and you'll see a range of notification categories that Instagram uses to send you alerts. These categories let you customize exactly what you want to hear about and what you'd rather silence. Find the category labeled Instagram Direct. This is the one responsible for all those direct message notifications. To stop receiving alerts for new DMs, simply toggle off the switch next to Instagram Direct. Once you do this, your phone will no longer notify you when someone sends you a direct message on Instagram. That's it. You've just taken control of your Instagram direct notifications. If you ever want to turn them back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back on. Managing your notifications helps you stay focused and minimizes distractions, so you can enjoy Instagram on your own terms. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your quieter, more peaceful phone experience.